Hello everyone, it's day 54 and I'm back with this live. So I'm on a journey of 366 days live journey where I come live each day, share my journey, what I'm doing and learning with you guys. So basically what I want to target and what I'm aiming for my live is from January to December. I'm going straight all days live. So at the end of the year I want to reflect back and see myself from how far I have came up. Okay. So before starting the live I want to quick sum up what we are doing, okay, or like how was my day. So today it was a Saturday, so I took a plenty of rest and learned about the back end stuff and created one, like I'm making, like from for my office I'm making a food kind of delivering app. So I make those system and I can't show you my back end code for of that because it is kind of secret, like it is kind of like of a company and I don't want to show it, so that's okay. And bro, like I went to the gym yesterday and day before yesterday, and my muscles are so messed up. So I took a plenty of rest today at this Saturday, and I learned about the backend, like the Express and how can we, like I created one cluster with the MongoDB, and I created some of the code there. So let me just have a text. Okay, one I got. So okay, uh for today live, I'm sharing my screen. Today, I will be working on my backend. Okay. So, guys, where are you from? Can you text in the chat? Hmm. Bro, my yes score. How many has been opened? Bro, I clicked so many. I clicked so many. That's kind of messed up. Okay. So, bro, like, just give me 1 second. Okay, I had one. I'm having one message with my developer. So mm, uh where is this English coming from? No, uh it's not like that. So okay, so what we are doing today is, so this is the code from the past my APIs. So I will be creating one new database. So let me take my MongoDB. And like what we are working on is the Codeway app. So it's kind of a app where you go to the site, and if you select some like a 30 days or like a 50 days challenge, so basically you are like challenging yourself for learning some particular like a programming language, and you will come to the website each day and submit some code and work on that. And okay, so let me connect my okay, let me run my code. So Shout out by day 2 attendance. Shout out to you, Raul Jain, bro. So, day 2 attendee. Thanks for coming, man. And I hope you have subscribed to this channel, so don't miss my videos. Okay. So I think my development server has been opened up. So I'm having one like just a second, okay, brother. So I'm making this app, yeah. So just want to first of all show you how much I have progressed on this site. So here comes the OTP, and I'm going to verify. So it's all made from this code, okay. So if I after the verification, so it will take some time, okay. So first of all, it will come like this: welcome to Azir. So in there, I can have my profile, I can change my photos, I can edit everything, and here I will have my companies. And if you see like when we come to this site, here you can create first of all companies by creating company, and first of all your companies will be like on the inactive, and you can active them from like eating the API, and within a company also there you can have your employees. Yeah, and here also you can have your employees like active, inactive state, like you can add your employees here also. So like it is a fully working application, and we are going to launch it very soon. And if you go on your report, you can have your reports of your company, like your employee, what are the status of your working. And if you go on the attendance, so yeah, like today I was working on this part, okay. So if you click and if you search like Biraj, so on the search without requesting to the back end, it is like filtering from the front end, okay. So if you can see, this all department are coming from the back end straight up, and I'm just putting at the department and the drop down. And if you click on the information technology, yeah, so only the one will be filtered out. And on the settings side, mm, just a second. So just I got my coffee, guys. So I got my coffee. So with this coffee, I will be live for today, like 2 3 hours. Um, no man, like I'm having milk coffee right now. Like and like I have one milk coffee and I have one full bottle black coffee. This is for the night. Like I drink like around 14 15 glass per day. Without it, I can't function. Like not latte, bro. Like it's just a simply made coffee at the home, not so fancy. Okay, and like I think I got one text. I'm drinking coffee. Yeah, you can hear my whole night. Same, bro. Okay, so like my usually time for live is around 11 after 11, but as today Saturday, like I didn't add so much things, and I'm not like today I didn't add my gym, so I'm not tired. Okay. Mm, what is your... So you shout out to my friend Kritika. So hello Kritika, how are you? Have you had your dinner? Same bro. Like anime, like yeah, like I do watch anime like One Piece. Like I'm watching it every week, and uh, so are you Raul Ryan? Mamu Aisho. Yeah, like yeah, Mamu Aisho, and she went also. So yeah, Demon Slayer, One Punch Man. Like Kritika, like are you Raul Ryan? Like are you coming from that name? I'm confused right now. But you are saying me bro also, so I'm not getting what you mean. Okay. So, so let me go to my GitHub. Okay. Oh, okay. So Raul, bro, where are you from? Like which state? Where and what are you doing currently, man? Mm, so this is my repo of my GitHub. So I'm thinking to start a new project, or yeah, there was this is my repo of my Courier Web, and yeah, like we'll be working on this repo, okay, Courier Web. So let me start it. Uh, I think it is. I think it should be here. Oh, bro, like I had my code on my hard disk. Let me grab my hard disk. Bihar neighborhood. Oh, okay, bro. So, and like, what are you reading currently? Which grade? So, are you saying this wallpaper? So, like, I want to understand this all. Like, right now, I know some of the formulas here, but not fully. Like, I want to be a quantum geek, like a scientist, probably in the futures. So, display flex. Okay. So let me plan for today. Like what at the what? Like there are like 10 or 15 features I want to implement on my project, but I'm not sure which one to do it right now. So I will be figuring that out, and I'm also learning Azure. So I'm learning the cloud. You can see the cloud platform. So that I got like monthly. I'm getting $150 credit because I was accepted to Microsoft Student Loan Ambassador. So if you see, I have like 150. Yeah, I would like to. What is saying? I don't want this right now. So if you see, like I have like $150 credit. Yeah. So I'm getting this each month, like $150. So like I'm planning to learn some of the cloud also. So that can really help me. Currently learning Python from CSUT, Harvard University by David Malcolm. Yeah, man, that man is crazy. Like I also learned from him like that this crash like the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at like before 1 2 year, and he teaches the course so beautifully, man. The year is going to be first year BTech CS branch. That's great, man. And I hope you are like after learning Python, like you are aiming for to go at the data science, machine learning, or trying to learn Django for the backend. I'm not reason. uh, okay, so I'm so currently I'm working on one like currently I'm working on two project. So one project is my like internal I'm making from my scratch, and another project like I have picked off like I'm working on that from like 1 2 month. So that project is this, yeah. So you can see so basically this is this Hazir project have like two phase, like one is app and one is website. So from the app a candidate can apply. That screen is irritating me. Okay, like which screen are you saying about? This so okay, I will turn this code. And I think here I got one message, yeah, like AI and ML. Bro, if you are like planning to learn AI and ML, like I'm if you have seen my LinkedIn, I'm currently on day 48 of learning ML and AI. Like I took like 100 days of ML and AI, yeah. So I'm currently on 48, and I highly suggest you to try like Data Camp, because they provide 3 months of like free uh subscription for your learning ML and AI, and that can really help you, man. Like they also provide certificates. So uh okay, so if you uh so if you want to learn this, then I suggest you to start from like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Learn for like probably 4 to 5 months. Try to make a bunch of project, and then after learn React like probably for 6 months, and then Next.js, and this is the Next.js code. Mm, okay, so let me work on this. Currently today I will be working on. mm, so I had to work on the attendance part. Mm, Attendance table layout. So on here I think it is on the attendance, yeah. So let me go on a company. Mm, this one, and attendance, and I will go to my console and I will see. So let me turn off the MongoDB for right now. Like I will be using it, but so okay. On this API, what I'm getting at the response is nothing. At this, I'm getting the three. So one is candidate Biraz Karki, and another is one, and another is Karki Sir. So it is of the active. I think it is of the active candidate, or absent. Okay, so it says absent, absent, absent. So these three are coming from this like API. Okay, so total attendee 5, yeah, and present 0, absent 3, only checkout. I have not implemented that, and leave is about 6. So the department are from this level. So what I want to do is I want to add the filter. Like yeah, I think I have added the filter here. Yeah, Mm, so let me work on the add approval, because I think there is kind of some bug here. I need to fix it. So if I go to the add approval, like what is my logic behind this is on the add approval. Yeah, like this is the not the part of the UI, but for my understanding, I'm like showing the list of candidate I have right now. So if I click on the Biraj Karkia and I want to add this candidate as approver, so I click on the add and it says like approver added successfully, but like it is not giving me any response, man. Like this response has no responding data available. Like I'm giving the payload also, yeah, here the active payload, and like yeah, you can see there's the store, and the 5 is the company ID, and the 22 is the like candidate ID. Yeah, I think yeah, but it is not working and I need to fix it. So if I go to my APIs and if I go to my I can search it right now, add approver. uh, you can see add, I think I have not commented it, but yeah, you can see approver assign. Yeah, so I'm using this, like I'm basically using RTK query, okay bro. Like so on the Next.js you can like directly fetch and post the data, and another one popular way is like React query, and the another way that is like mainly maintained by in the big companies are like RTK query. So I'm using that. So I'm passing the company ID, so here is the company ID and candidate ID. Yeah, so if you see at my uh if you see at my add approver, add approver page. So where it is in the add approver, this one. So I'm taking the company ID and I'm passing it. Yeah, after completing CS50 I'm planning to do web day for by David JLM. Any tips for learning DSA with Scratch? Recently bought the book Introduction to Algorithm by Thomas Horman and other three author, but it seems too confusing, bro. Like okay, so on the which language you are learning DSA? It is on Python, Java, or C++. On the basis of that, I can recommend you some of the like way you can go on, because right now I'm learning DSA in the Java. Like I'm also like I have learned before, but I'm still learning because there are more problems to solve. And so okay, Python. So okay, if you are learning Python, then for the DSA, so there is one book. Okay, uh, my friend suggested me that book. I'm not getting the name right now, but or bro, like on the free code camp, yeah, free code camp. On the free code camp there is one Python DSA course, you can follow that, and I highly suggest you to like go the like lead code basically, and like bro, like basically if you are like saying about the Python, like I don't have much experience about that, but if I have to say you on the Java, then I will just I'm taking one Udemy course on the Java, and I'm taking it and I'm solving the problems. Like basically, I'm like timing myself, like I'm giving some time tracking tool, and I'm trying to complete that. When you start DSA, so I started DSA not so long, bro. Again, like first of all, I was more into like the development side. Yeah, like after getting the job, then only I started learning DSA. So it is like around 6 months, like from the start, from learning Java. Like I started learning Java from the 6 months. So basically, so from 6 months today, but I'm more into like programming, like JavaScript, like React, and the backend side. Okay, or you, so you are asking me like when to start the essay? Or okay, so yeah, like after, like I suggest you after having the basic idea of like bro Python, and when you are like comfortable making small games, like if you go and like learn like Py games, so there is one library on the Python, yeah. From that library, if you create some of the games, then your concept of like how the like really loops function really works, yeah. Like so then you can just start the essay. Like don't wait for like I have to learn this portion, then only I can start the essay. You can start the essay before the learning language itself. Like you can learn by side to side also, if you are really interested and if you want to really do it. So bro, like let me, okay, so there was, just a second, okay bro, I just need one text to. mm, so yeah, thanks brother. Okay bro, so like are you like after learning Python, or like you mentioned like after learning DSE you are going to start web dev? Kritika, like hi, hello. So like so if you see here, okay, okay, so there is one small bug here and I need to find it. So the problem here I'm having is like what I'm basically doing is I'm like taking the candidate data from the company ID. So from like I'm getting the candidate data. So if you go and if you see here on my code, okay, so on this page what I'm getting is, first of all, I'm getting the uh candidate data. So from the candidate I'm getting candidate data of the five company. So what are the data? Like so there are like four. If you see here, I'm so there is the active company, yeah, like active candidate. So there is four, so I'm getting the four list. What I'm trying here is from the approval name, from the candidate data, from the data, I just need active candidate. And from that active candidate, I'm finding the name and I'm adding it to the approver. So everything is working, but if you see here on my request, it is going and giving me response successfully. But on this one, I'm not getting the response. So this request has no response data available. And I also don't have like approval list, because on this API I'm like fetching the list of approval list of this five company, like five is basically ID of that company. Okay, like, so there are like multiple companies of the same user. So we are just like separating it from the other companies, because there can be like 200 to 500 candidate on each company. Okay, so I'm getting the status code also, so everything is working. Yeah, but on this also I'm getting the status code. That means my code is working. But let me debug it. Literally केही बुझिँदैन. I'm here just to listen and improve you है त. Sure Kritika, and thank you. Yeah bro, like coffee, yeah, it is getting cold, I need to have it. Thanks for reminding me. That is the step 4, step 3. I have opened so many pages. Okay, so let me work on this. So this is the performance report. Okay, let me add some of the performance like APIs so I can work on today live on this. So first of all, it is going to be a gate. Yeah, so it is going to be a daily company candidate report. So I will just type the whole name, because on the later days, when I give this code to the other people also, yeah, so other developer also can understand my code. So it is going to have a query, and it is going to, so let me see what it is getting. So let me have one arrow function, and let me have one arrow function here. Okay, so and the URL is going to be this one. So I'm giving the backtick and putting here this way, and it is going to be a dynamic. So I think nine. Okay, so I think, I'm not sure, but I think this is going to be a company ID, and this is going to be a like candidate ID. Yeah, so probably it will be a candidate ID, or let me see, let me check it out. Okay, uh, so yeah, it is going to be a candidate ID, and let me have it on a dollar sign. So like it is coming from, like, what I'm trying to do is I will be getting my company ID from my front end at my URL. Like on the Next.js there is this patterns code. Okay, so from that I can get the company ID and the candidate ID. I will pass from the selected field of the table. So that's my idea basically. So I will be passing that here also on the bracket. And and I need to copy this here, and I need to add it here also. So first of all, I will have to type use, and I have to, and this is a query. Okay, so in the RTK query, there is two, one is mutation and one is query. And I also need to do what one thing is, so it is the get, so small g, yeah. So yeah, it has automatically capitalized my g, like I have to do that. Okay, so if I took this, and if I go at my, I think I have not created the UI for that. Where are you working? Gor Kotara Saina. Okay, yeah, like we can have coffee right now also if you want. I will come. Like I will be coming running take with my coffee. Where are you working? So I'm working at my home right now. Basically, like it is night. And where are you from, bro? I want to share the coffee, but because of the circumstance we are in, I'm not able to. So on my UI, so first of all, I'm not able to click it. Yeah. So after clicking this name, I will be going at the performance report. So first of all, I have to make this field a linkable. Like, so this is have, okay. So what I can do is, on the name I will have a link. Yeah, and I will create one dynamic page. So when he clicks on this page, I will take the ID from year 5, and I will take the candidate ID 39. So basically, if you see at this my code, so I will be getting my company ID also and the candidate ID also. And the what I will trying to do is, so what will be my URL? So that's the main thing. So do I want to send it on like 5 attendance slash performance report? Yeah, like I can make that way also. So let me see. Okay, after getting the attendance, I should send him to the new page. Yeah, but should I make it a component? No, it should be a dynamic page, and it should have the ID of this attendance. So okay, I understood, but I might be wrong. But I will update my code later on also. So currently, I'm on company ID and reports, and this is the activity. Like candy. So this is the another report. If you guys go on here, yeah. What is my loading? Is my Mozi? Okay, if you go on here, and if you go on my report, yeah, on this activity report, okay, why it opened? So if you go on here, yeah, like I need to make this to UI, but if you go on here and if you click on the attendance, so it is a attendance report. Okay, so I still need to make this UI, but if you can see today the attendee were this much, like 7, and clock in and clock out. So there are bunch of report, but what I'm talking about right now is from the attendance I want to go to the performance report. So for the performance report, I don't have the UI right now, so I can just send it to the, so let me do it. So basically I don't want here. So basically I'm working on this page. So basically I'm on this page. Basically I'm on this page. Okay, so I'm getting that attendance table layout from here. So what I need to do is, I need to create one dynamic page. So it will have the what it will have is, candidate 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 I. It will have the candidate ID and it will be a dynamic page JSX. So on this I'm going to have one uh, simple arrow function and I will check if this is working or not. Import params from uh, import params from next slash navigation. Okay, I have imported it, and what I will do is, mm, let me have the mm, candidate id is equals to use 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 params, that is either a component or not a custom react hook. What I will make it is performance report. If I do this way, and what I can do is I can console it clg. I can go. I think I can do this way. Okay, and I need to export it here also. And how I will be going at this page is from this page. What I will be doing is from here. What I will do is, so basically I am trying to do it from the name. Yeah. So there is one property, okay, of the Next.js. So basically if you want to navigate to another page from a text or a button, so if you use like use router, so you can use like use router, like a router, and another is link. So basically first of all I will try to use link. Okay, so let me import link from the next link, and what I want to do is I will want to have this at here, and what I want to do is, so I need to give the href here. So, or okay, so if I go and see at my, have I used a link or router, I'm confused. Okay, so if I go at my report, so I think I have used that somewhere. Yeah, where I have used is, mm, yeah, I have used here. Okay, so on this report, so on this report, yeah, on this activity report, on this page, so on this attendance overview, yeah, so on this attendance overview I have used, so yeah, I have used like this way. I have used the link tag, and I have gave the href. So if you go on this href, you can see uh, map data.map, and if you go on this href, yeah, so now I understood. Okay, so basically where is my page, so I was working on this page. Yeah, so what I need to do is, first of all I need to get the company id. So I think I have already got the company id, and what I need to do is, mm, on this href, yeah, I need to pass this way. Okay, so I need to pass it as a this way, and I think, yeah, I'm having small problem here, but I think I can make it work. Hmm. Okay, why I'm having this? Let me have this and this, and let me close it this way. So link it will end here, and this company name is going here. Okay, so yeah, now it is working. So if I click on this tab, yeah. So what I'm going to do is, okay, so I need to change it. Okay, so what I should do is dashboard company, company ID, and it will have the uh attendance. It will have the this attendance, yeah. So it will have this attendance and this way. Okay, so what I have done on this code, if I go and look it out, is on this attendance report, yeah, like I'm passing the value like 520 like this way. So basically I need to pass value here also. So what value I'm passing here is, I'm passing the value of candidate ID. I don't know like this way it will work or not, but let me try it. Okay, so I'm passing the value of candidate ID. Let me try it. Okay, so yeah, so this is the link. Yeah, if I click on the Biras Karki, so it had gone to the next page, but it is not taking that company ID. Okay, like that candidate ID, because the probably of the reason of basically like it is on the loop, and I think this is not the way to pass. Okay, okay. So I forgot to put the asterisk here. Okay, so let me try it. Okay, let me try it if this works or not. Okay, so first of all, let me have this one. So yeah, it is working. Yeah, it is working. What I mean is, so use client. Okay, the process I thought is working right now. Okay, so if I like I was working on this part, yeah. So if I show you guys, okay, my ID is like probably what I can do is my ID is, so my ID is candidate ID. I can show you this way. Okay, or I can show you like this way also. First of all, I need to make it a use client, because on the next, yes, if you are working with the like any of this kind of code, you need to make it a client side. Okay, so in the next, yes, you have one and this client some component. So you need to make, if you are using states like use state, use effect, use params, any hooks, then you have to make your component a client side component, because if you are working with the server component, so on the server component your use hooks will not work, so I need to make it a use client, and I'm consoling it. Okay, so let me, so there is this my ID came, yeah. So if I go on this 40, okay, this 40, this 56, and if I go here, so it should have like uh mm, okay, so let me, so 22, yeah. mm, so company ID, use params, so it is my candidate idea. So I'm getting the candidate ID, I'm using the new param. So my text is coming, but not, but I'm not facing the 22, yeah. mm, there could be a couple of reason. Okay, so I'm sorry guys. So, okay, I need to destructure this. Okay, if I do this way, And if you see, okay, I'm so much confident that it will work. Okay, I'm so much confident. Yeah, if you can see here, I got the 22. Yeah, so what I did was I destructured my, like, I'm getting that company ID at the URL also, and from the dynamic idea. So I'm destructuring it and I'm like consoling it, and I think I'm like I should be able to show my candidate ID here also. Like, I think I have forgot my syntax, but basically if I, yeah, so my company ID came here 22, my company ID here came like 34, so 22, so here, so it did it is my old code. Okay, so so it is like 57. Yeah, if I click on the 57 on this, so I got my 35. Where is the my 57 or 57? Yeah, so I click on this one, but I'm getting the ID 35 here. 35. I'm confused. So, but its candidate ID says 57. Yeah, let me reload it. Uh, from Kerala, give our source code of your coffee lol. Hi Dada Bidant Whitey kids all like, I'm doing great, bro. And what about you, brother? Your device configuration, bro. So like this, my laptop is kind of old. I'm trying to buy new laptop and I'm saving it. But this is like old laptop, bro. Like basically Dell Bostro 15 RAM. I have like 8 GB and I have like, yeah, SSD kind of that work, but not a very powerful laptop. But within 2 to 3 months I am saving money to buy one gaming laptop, so I will update you on that. Coffee is cost to input coffee powder, water is cost to input or water print black coffee. Absolutely right, bro. Overall, Subhidi, sir, take some rest too. You are really working hard. Thanks for the hard work. Bro. Don't say me sorry, yeah, bro. Thanks, man. Overall, so I think I got a text here, yeah. Kritika, Birasar, hello. Hi. Okay, so I was on this part, okay. So I got my company ID. So right now I can, like, I just made one this API, yeah. So this API. So now I can use this API finally. So if I copy this and if I go on my candidate ID and if I go here, okay. And first of all I need to uh do this, okay. And I need to have one variable for it. So my variable is going to be our uh daily company candidate report. Like, I don't want to change the name basically, because after some days if I look at this code, basically I'm going to forget like most of the things, because I'm working on other project also, yeah. So I want to make it like as much I can read my code, okay. So first of all I will see my values are coming or not. And okay, so on here what I need to do is I need to pass the candidate ID, and another is uh I need to pass the candidate ID basically here, but I think it will not work for now. I will get some error, probably I'm getting 100% error, I know, but we can work with that error also, okay. I'm 100% sure that I will get one error on my network, okay. I'm damn sure, because I think it is not taking my company ID, like I'm not passing my company ID probably right way, okay. So the main thing is my API is not being called also, so that's the first of all I need to make it work on that part. Mhm. So I will try to use this way, okay. Okay, I'm understanding one thing that I was confused for a long time, okay. I need to first of all destructure it, pass it to the data. Right now I'm not going to use like is loading or not, but basically I need to pass the candidate id here. So yeah, I have passed my candidate id, and I also need to pass the uh, company id. So if I took this company id and pass it here, and what I need to do is, okay, so if you see here also, I'm not taking from the body, okay. I think it should work. I think it should work, yeah. But let me see. No, no, it is not working. So it is not. It is saying like use get attendance report to the query is not defined. Okay, it is saying it is not defined. hmm I'm getting here. I'm getting this use get daily company candidate report query from here, and I'm storing it on the daily company candidate report here. So what can be the problem here is, let me see my company ID is getting printed or not. Let me see my company, and I need, okay, so let me do this way. It is loading, okay. So on my console, in my console, yeah, I'm getting my 22 and 5. And if you see on this request, yeah, my undefined, okay, I got it. What I need to do, I got it. What is the problem here? Okay, I got it. So I'm basically passing the data as the company underscore id and underscore candidate underscore id, but right here I'm passing it as this way, yeah. So what I need to do is, I just need to copy this. I just need to it's cost to this one, okay. uh I think not the is equal to, okay, let me see. I think not this cost to, I think this, yeah, this what you say, like this say you like semicolon, yeah, probably. hmm yeah, it should work now, okay. It should work. It should, yeah. The 22 and 5 has got, but it says like 4 not found. Okay. Okay, so what happened is 5 should be at the first and 22 should be at the last. So yeah, this should be here, and candidate uh id should be at the second. So if I go and request it, yeah, if I request it 5/22, I'm getting the response of candidate not found, but this is the candidate. So basically what is happening is, I don't have the report of this data. So let me see at my database also. If I click on this browse card key, okay, or if I click on this one, yeah, it is coming 34, yeah. It is coming 34 and 5 and 34 and on the console not found. So this user doesn't have the data. But if you can see here, I got the successful status, successfully fetched. I need to see my Figma also. Unless sir Bhau Khuji. I'm here supporting you on a Union even ask me. Mm, so guys, just a second, okay? Adieu, adieu. Okay. Okay. Let me just print it again. So let me work on these features, okay? On this setting. So I think I have worked on this update holiday, yeah, or I haven't. Yeah, I have worked on this. So if I click on the update file, yeah, I got this file. So this file is showing at the UI, and if I click at the submit, so file uploaded successfully. So it is working, bro. I mean, I was working on this one part and I'm getting bug. Okay, so I need to fix it. Okay, I will show you guys right now. So on the Azure, okay, I was seeing one SQL database. So guys, from tomorrow also, I'm thinking like what I was doing was I was getting daily 3 hours of sleep. Like what I was doing is I was sleeping at the 3:30 and I was working at like 5 or 5:30, and I'm getting 1 hour sleep after coming from office. Okay, but as now my schedule has been changed, so today I'm able to come live for like 11 p.m. because I'm not tired today because I didn't went to the gym and not office also. But from tomorrow I'm thinking to come live from 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. for a 2 hour, or basically 1 p.m. 1 a.m. also I can go, or from the 11 p.m. I'm still confused about my routine, but I will get you know about my routine because I have started one another side project like side income kind of thing also, and so because of that I can't give my like I'm not able to commit my full time. So, but I will update you tomorrow. So I need to make a plan for it today. You really this is something. So okay, bro. Okay. Uh, so basically, what I was saying is, so I'm not able to provide you to my full time. So, but I will try my best to give you my available time. Thank you. Yes. So okay, I'm getting my second image here. Absent on merit. Okay, my I think my employee I can delete or not. I think I should be delete. No, nothing is going here. I haven't implemented in my employee table. So guys, yeah, what I was saying was I'm getting 3 hours of sleep every day. I was back from my office. So from now on I have like another tasks at the late evening. So I will be focusing on that. So I think my lifetime will be short. Mm, so this is the employee table. Okay. So I think no, like before, like mm, I was to do like this on my life. Like I used to one side chat like this, and I you used to code here. Yeah, but you said that you don't like this coming at the screen. Yeah, so I'm like totally full screening it. But okay, So this is the employee table. Yes. So in the employee table, I have my code here, but why it is not working? Yeah, it came. Yeah, yeah. So, but why it was taking so? Why it was taking so much time? Let me go on my network tab, Control R. Yeah, like this is also bright. Like, okay, let me change the background of it. Let me go dark mode. Okay. So just a second. Okay. I have created my dark mode. I have my dark mode. Okay. I have my dark mode, but right now I'm just okay. But I think on my dark mode everything will be okay. So let me restart it. I think yeah, this is my dark mode I have made. Okay. So after some time I'm going to have my switch here also. Like after clicking that switch, my whole page is going to go on dark mode. But yeah, like on the dark mode, this is not looking so nice. Like not beautiful, I think. But I need to fix my dark mode also, because like basically what I have done is like I have just swiped the colors of the like from the white to black and like that it. So guys, yeah, let me change so you can see I have changed the background of the site. Okay, so I will be working on this, and if I click on this delete button, it will ask me for to like, are you sure you want to delete this employee? And if I click on the confirm, then there should be one API should go, API should hit. Well, why it is not working? Hmm, why it is not working? So await, delete candidate ID, selected ID and company ID. So if I click on the delete candidate, you can see I have um, I think I need to destructure it this way here, and what I need to change is um, so what I need to do here is select it. I think I need to pass this way, not that way, because it is not working. It is not working as I expected. I also need to pass company ID and I need to consider. Oh wait. Okay. I need to. Hmm, I think now it will work. I'm positive that now it should work. Hmm, object is not retrievable. Retrieval. Okay. Me too. Like I also don't understand my code. Like literally after if I write some code and if I come after like 4 5 days, yeah, like I absolutely forgot like why I created this function or why I created like this way. Like what I was thinking at that particular moment, like I forgot like this I code probably I coded for like past some days, yeah. So if you see like I'm for this code, this is just getting this status not approved and like passing it here as status and at the back end, yeah. But yes, like why did I create that function? What was I thinking at that exact moment? I'm not remembering. Okay, and okay, if you see data is declared, but it is its value is not. Okay, if data, I think it should work now. Data. Let me see. Okay. Hmm. Object is not retrievable. I think I can't destructure this. Hmm. Let me see at my APIs. Sorry, it's busy with this. No, I'm not. What happened? Why it is zooming? Why it is zooming? No. Why it zoomed? I think on the black mode also it is looking good. But still may need to like this my name is not coming clearly here. But everything is working good. Like everything is behaving what how it should be. I think I should create one button here for the dark and white mode. But guys, I'm confused on one code here. Like I have created this file also, yeah, global theme setting. And I have my theme registry also and on there I have my theme. So what was I even thinking at that point? I'm making two. Okay, let me just comment it, okay? Will it work or not? I'm 100% sure like it will work. But I don't know why I even created this folder two times on a different folder. Just a sec. I think I have got a call from somewhere. So I will fixing this delete button and update. I think I don't have my update here also. Yeah, I don't have my update code here. I need to implement here. Why this is not working? Handle change tab. Handle change tab. Yeah, it is working, but my delete candidate is not working. Let me clear my other pages code. Hmm, I think I know this. I don't need. Okay. Hmm, let me open it to my right. So basically, delete company. No, delete candidate. So where is the delete candidate? So yeah. So about the candidate delete, it is the not delete company. It is delete candidate. Okay. So on the delete candidate, mm, my method is post, but it should be like no. My method is get, but it should be a post. Let me candidate and let me see on my. mm, so on the employer, I need to go to the candidate and I need to go on the candidate crowd. I'm confused. Okay, so okay, I'm on the candidate, yeah, and I'm on the crowd. So it is used to store to create a candidate. It is used for the update to update candidate, and this is used to destroy the candidate. So employer candidate destroy. I'm so confused. Okay, employer candidate destroy, and it is not a post. It is a get. Okay, so if it is a get request, let me save it. And on here, on the delete, so it is company ID is equals to company ID, candidate ID is equals to selected candidate dot candidate ID. And I don't think that I need to destructure this way. I can just work without this also. Okay, and this should work. Uh, Let me see. Yeah, it will ask for like, are you sure you want to delete this company? And if we click on close, so it will not process the confirmation of delete. Otherwise, it will go on this function and it will handle confirm delete. And I want to, yeah, basically it should work right now. I'm surprised that why it is not working, to be honest. Confirm. What might be the issue here? What's your BS Code theme? So, bro, my BS Code theme is this one. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I think winter is coming. So my theme name is Winter is Coming. Yeah, man. I no, not this one. I think I my this winter is coming and dark dark blue. Yes, bro. This winter is coming and dark blue. I really love this theme because kind of it is dark and it is bright also, and for my live my viewers can see like my syntax also. Yeah, so that's why I really like this theme. mm, Bro, I'm confused why it is not working. Like probably like delete or kind of these things is generally on the post method. Yeah, but my backend developer sended me this code on a get method. I don't know why he's thinking that way, but because of that I need to use get, and now my mind is so much screwed. Like I need to send, like, yeah, like it will work. I know it will work, but still I'm not able to understand why he wants me to use a get method on this one. And because of that I'm not able to destructure it also. I don't know why. Let me see what it is coming on this. So guys, today I will be live for this much time, and right now I will be learning about Azure Cloud Computing, and tomorrow I will come back to this live. So take care guys, have a good night and see you tomorrow.